Hi, how are you? Well, you caught me working here. Today I decided to record this video at night because I want to talk about light. In the first video we learned about natural sources of light and artificial sources of light. Remember, some of the natural sources of light were the sun, the stars. Okay, I'm giving you time so you can think, you can recall those natural sources of light. And then we learned about artificial sources of light, right? For example, light bulbs, computers. If you need to remember that, you go back to the first video and you watch it again. But tonight, I decided to record this video at night to show you something simple but interesting. Light helps us see things, but how do we see things? Very simple. Light bounces off objects and the reflection of that light gets into our eyes, and only then can we see the object. If there is no light, there is no perception of the object. That is to say, we can't see objects. But the important thing is how it works. We see objects because light hits the object reflects that light gets into our eyes, and then we see the object. If there is no light, it doesn't mean that the object has disappeared. It means that we cannot see it. Let's do a very small experiment. What happens if I start turning off the different artificial sources of light that are illuminating me? Would you like to try? Let's start with the first one. Yes, I know that you can still see me, but not as clearly as before. Why? Because there is another source of artificial light here, my computer. But what about if I do this? Yes, you can still see me, but not as well as before, because there is a street light, right? The street light is bouncing off my face and getting into the camera, which in this case is working as the human eye. Let's turn on the lights back so we can see each other again. Okay, I just wanted to show you this. It's a very short experiment that you can try at home. You have done it many times without thinking about this process of how we can perceive things thanks to light. Okay, that was all for today. I send you all my love. I miss you. You can't imagine how much. See you next time.